Hello, what's up guys? Here we are, otherwise it's an evening, and we are here. Actually, we were having like a walk, and I came just here to say hello to my people here. Thank you for coming to check me here. For my tiny subscribers, thank you for always supporting me, and if this is your first time here, click that like button so that when I upload another video you will be notified, guys. So here, this is the village. Actually, when you are at the village, expect to see a lot of things like goats, cows, like that. Also a duck, like so. Guys, here they usually do agriculture, which is you can keep anything that you want, like animals and or another birds, like as you can see here. We have a goat. This is a goat, and that one is a cow there, guys. Those are the washrooms that are up there, guys, and that is a shade for the cows maybe to sleep inside. Also here we have a duck, guys. This one here, I usually hear that it it chases people away, but then me, I am just closer here, guys, and it has not chased me away. Like, it's just me here, guys. This is listening. I don't know whether it will chase me away, guys. So enjoy the video, continue watching until the end. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love. Thank you. Continue. So guys, it is around 4, and usually at 4 here at the village we usually have porridge. This is porridge from finger millet and sorghum, guys, and cassava. So you'll have a cup of tea, like, guys. So this is how it is here. Usually at around 4 o'clock in the evening, we usually have porridge. So this is the porridge here, guys. Drop a comment what you think. Do you also take porridge at your village, like, guys? So this is it. So it is hot. It has sugar. It is fermented, like, as I can say. And if you don't ferment it, you can just put lemon. You can put lemon inside. You just add like this, and it is very tasty. It is very healthy, actually. That's why they usually have it when you are going to have dinner. You'll find that your stomach is just flat, like it is empty. Like, it makes also space for the stomach so that you can eat another food at the next 1 hour or 2 hours. That's why we have like porridge. So thank you so much. Actually, drop a comment. Do you do this at your village? Do you cook such a porridge? Like, it is light, it's not that heavy, as I can say. You can add sugar or you cannot add sugar, like, guys. So this is it. This is the porridge. This is the village. Actually, I enjoyed the video, and it is a kind of evening, and also my brother is there. He's also having porridge. Yeah. So guys, welcome again and again. Thank you always for coming to support me. Actually, here you can see this cow is down here, but then we were treating it because of the mouth. It has a mouth problem. That's why we were just caring on it. We were just trying to treat it, guys. Yeah. So we had to jump over there. We are going to the bush meat, and the bush meat is on this side here, down there. This is not a town, so you have to follow how you are going to be directed, like. she's going close. Ah. Hallelujah. Yani mpaka moga tomo stuni kwa chini. Wachiyatinga. Wa. Muinabo.
Con đâu ý ông đưa sang đi áo cái mặt này gì mà đây
Anto no va a correr ahí ganka. Hello, what's up? Thank you for coming here. Always thank you for coming to support me. The time now is coming to 7 actually, and I am from the market. As you can see, I'm holding the courier bag like so. Guys, this is how it looks here when it is in the evening. It's like coming to 7, and usually in 7 that's how it looks here, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. Continue supporting me, guys. Talking live from our small town here at the village, guys. Yeah, so this is it. It is very cold, as you can see. That's why I am wearing such a full neck coat and everything here, guys. So I'm heading home, and this is how it looks here actually. And the market is over there, guys. I'm just from the market, as I can say. So this is it.